Namaskar friends, welcome to Export Import Make in India campaign. And today in this session we will understand interplant movement. Okay. So in earlier session we discussed regarding that what are the cross-functional sourcing decisions. Okay. And in this session we will try to understand what are the interplant movement. Okay. So as the word name inters means the internally of the factory, the shifting of the machinery and other equipments. Okay, so we'll try to understand by help of this definition. Okay, so if you see on the screen, mechanizations, water power, steam power, second mass production assembly line, computer and automations, cyber physical system. Okay, these are the based on the diagram. Okay, so what can we transfer when you transfer your company is growing day by day, then your entire equipments can be transferred from one location to another. So that during the process of production, a firm move product among its various plant. Okay, yeah, already one factory is existing. Okay, then another factory is new plants. Okay, so what the process will do? Production process will, as per requirement, move the equipments from one location to another. We can say that finished goods products will move from one location to another. Okay, because as it depend on that availabilities of product. Okay, a large manufacturing might have a several thousand of supplier feeding part in a dozen of factories that assemble component that will be used by few assembly line. Okay, so flow must be controlled by alternative with changing demand as continual changing the reducing the size of work in process inventory. Okay, so here we can say that the company like a Honda for the manufacturing process needs a several thousand of the suppliers part, different parts. Okay, so that what they do, they assemble this component. Okay, that will be used for few assembly line. Okay, so they will assemble all different component at the line. Okay, the flow must be controlled at the altered to meet changing demand. Okay, so as per demand, this flow to be controlled. Okay, just like a someday you receive order of production in high level, then you need to uh, arrange that finished good as per order. Okay, and sometimes you receive a short order, then you arrange as per that. So this need to be controlled. Okay, and altered to meet the changing demand as per demand. Okay, a continual changing in reducing the size of work progress is inventory. Okay, so this is totally depend on the inventory that how much materials, component, and raw materials are available. You need to work on that. Okay, international interplant movement are subject to custom duty scrutiny because they are related the party transactions. Okay, if you are interplanting the component and materials from in domestic level, there is no a chance of duties. But if you importing these things from other country, then it may impact the charges of custom duties. Okay, the duty and tax levied on the import and ad valorem duties are duties based on the value of the goods. Okay, so it's depend on the value of goods. Okay, this is the percentage of the duty on the total value of the goods. If one were a custom inspector reviewing an import invoice from related party, might wonder whether the value shown represent in the true fair market value and covered to invoice. Then sometime what happened that if you're importing some goods from other country, then in the same exporting case, so what custom will do, check out whether the actual price of the goods at the internationally. Okay, for example, any mobile charges are 10,000, and if importers what will try to do that they mentions in commercial value of the mobile is only 5,000 to save custom duty. Okay, so this thing need to understand that uh, custom will check out that this is this fair value of the goods. Okay, that invoice is covering. This is a fair market value. Fair market value. So this thing need to understand that if you will not correcting this thing, it will impact on the system. The custom will finalize you. Okay, so since willing refer either party is underway, compulsions an important aspect of the fair market value is missing the related party. Okay, the intercompany's transaction in the possibility that product is internationally and price under the avoid paying the full amount of duties, hence they may make plant to intercompany transactions. One of the cost of item to be controlled by custom payments and intermediate cross border. Consider this. Okay, so finally, if you are transferring this your product or machineries from your one unit to another unit, because that your company is the same, but the one I mean its company is MNC. So from one unit is located in the other country and another is located in the India. So in this process, if you want to move the product from uh, Europe to India, interplant movement. Okay, then what you will try to do that this is the same company, so you can prepare commercial invoice based on you. Okay, okay, but if you are reducing the cost of the product of for the custom clearance duty, then it will impact on the system that custom will check out all the thing. So main thing is to understand the in interplant movement, the goods need to be transferred from one location to another based on the location wise. Okay, so this thing is important. Okay, we have already discussed the example of the interplant movements. Okay, so basically in domestic level it can be transfer the goods very easily, but in internationally the movement of internally product or goods is difficult. Okay, so guys, we are just going to end this session here. Thanks for watching the session. Have a nice day.